To create a request for quotation, RFQ, navigate to Request for Quotation using the Awesome bar. Here, you can view any previous RFQs and create a new one. When you open a new RFQ, you can either import the list of items from various sources or add them manually. In the Get Items From list, you can choose to fetch items from existing material requests or from an opportunity. If you want to import items from a material request, select Material Request and choose the desired request. All the items from that material request will be populated in the items table of the new RFQ. If the sales team is pursuing a sales opportunity and has added item details in the opportunity record, you can directly import those items into the RFQ. For items with preferred vendors, you can select these vendors in the item record under the Supplier Details section. When dealing with multiple requests where items have preferred vendors, you can pull such items into the RFQ by selecting Possible Supplier under the Get Items From option. Next, use the Tools feature and click on Get Supplier From option. You can import suppliers using a specific supplier group or based on their tags. You can also manually add suppliers and items to their respective tables if needed. Configure email details, set terms and conditions, and review print settings before saving and submitting the RFQ. Once you submit the RFQ, you can choose to send an email to all listed suppliers by navigating to Tools and selecting Send Email to Suppliers. You can also download the RFQ as a PDF to send to suppliers individually. You can manually add supplier quotations either from the Create button in the RFQ or by navigating to the Buying module and selecting Supplier Quotation. Here, you can view all existing supplier quotations, filtering by name, title, supplier, or company. To add a new supplier quotation, first enter the supplier's name to fetch their contact and address details. You can import items from an existing material request or RFQ. For example, to import items from an RFQ, select RFQ and choose the relevant one from the list. This ensures all items, quantities, and rates from the RFQ are added to the items table. You can also link the supplier quotation to a material request or add entirely new items, defining quantities and rates for each. Add item details such as expected delivery date, quantity, price, and any discounts offered. The total quantity, price, and weight will be calculated automatically. Define the currency and price list for the quotation if different from default values, and check the box to ignore predefined pricing rules if necessary. Add any additional taxes or shipping charges in the Taxes and Charges section, and select a shipping rule or tax template if applicable. Specify any additional discounts on the total price here as well. Next, add a Terms and Conditions template and review print settings. After entering all necessary details for the supplier quotation, save and submit it. Once submitted, navigate to the Create button to create a purchase order from the supplier quotation if the supplier is selected.